Hi, so the question which we are going to do today is, as you can see, coin game. There are n coins in the table forming a circle, and each coin is either facing up or down. Alice and Bob take turn to play the following game. Alice goes first. In each operation, the player choose a facing up coin. Okay, facing up coin. Remove the coin. Okay. Then flip the two coins that are adjacent to it. Okay, before the operation. Okay, before the operation, let's see, remember it. And then there are only two coins left, then one will be removed and the other won't be flipped. Okay, if before the operation there is only one coin is left, no coin will be flipped it. Okay, if there are no facing up coins, the player loses. Decide who will win the game if they both play optimally. Okay, it can be proved that the game will be end in a finite number of operation and one of them will be win. Okay, what we have to output? We have to output for each test case print yes. If Alice will win the game, otherwise no. Okay, you can put, the pattern is saying. Other than that, like for example, as you can see, number of test cases are 3 and the string length is 5. So as you can see, in the first test case the game may go as follows. Alice chooses the first coin and S become D U U. Okay, then Bob chooses the last coin and S become U D D. Okay, then Alice chooses the first coin. Okay, Alice chooses the first coin and S become UU. Okay, and Bob chooses the first coin and S become U. Okay, Alice choose the only coin and the S become empty, and Bob can't choose any coin and he lose the game. Okay, so that's the whole crux of the question. Let's write down the solution. Just a second. The question is pretty much clear, I think. Still, how we are going to solve it? Let me write down the logic. And S, then what? Let's write something like int c and t count. Okay, count s dot begin to s dot end. Okay, count u elements, number of capital U. Okay, C out CNT divisible by 2. Okay, if it is divisible then yes, otherwise no. Okay, the basic logic of the code will work something like it. Okay guys, yeah, let's compile this code. So yes, successfully got compiled. Now let's run a test cases. Which test case we should run? Let's run whole test cases. Okay, and the answer is, what is the answer? No, yes, no. Okay, and yeah, where is the third answer? Yes. So yeah, there is yes, no. Okay, so the code is correct guys. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely reply your queries. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you for watching.